Great to see you, fans. Once again, Massive Monster Mayhem has once again been brought back. That's why tonight we're drawing more Massive Monster Mayhem related episodes. Tonight we're gonna draw Dome Ditty Dome. A robot battle suit fueled by a hot dog. Well, it's actually powered by a hot dog. And to be honest, this is what makes Dome Ditty Dome pretty amazing. He's one of the greatest. He's one of my most favorite fighters. Forged from a star, and has his own commercial. What can I say? There's no place like Dome. There we are. Now we just draw this part here. Here's the belt. There we are. Now we just draw the shoulder pads. There we are. There we are. Now we just draw this part here. Here's the dome. Well, actually, this is the chest. Great. Forgot my eraser. Be right back. Sorry about that. Got it. Here are the fingers. are. Now we just draw the legs. And there he is. That is Dome Diddy Dome. Just draw the holes here. What can I say? This is one of the top 5 monsters that I've gotten to.
Want toast?
Yeah, later. Anyway, that is how you draw Dome Diddy Dome. Be sure to let me know what Monster Mayhem fighter you want me to draw next. And smash that subscribe button along with the like button. And until next time, there's no place like Dome.